Fidelity cash management account versus Schwab investor checking, which is the better one? So it's depend upon what's your preferences and according to your specific need, right? So here I have made a comparison of both the software, of both the management tool. The first one we will talk about, that is the Fidelity cash management account, and then we will discuss about the Schwab investor checking. So here you can see, you can just read it by yourself. It's offer FDIC insurance up to 1.25 millions to multiple partners bank. On the other side, Schwab offers FDIC insurance up to $250,000, right? And here on the Fidelity, no monthly fees or minimum balance requirement. On the other side, the same way, Schwab doesn't ask you to pay any monthly fees, minimum balance requirement, or ATM fees worldwide. Unlimited ATM fees rebate worldwide, unlimited ATM free rebate worldwide. Same thing, that's a great. The only difference which I found, that is the FDIC insurance, where Fidelity provide you up to the 1 million, on the other side 2,50,000 by the Schwab, right? And here we will talk about the wide range of investor options through Fidelity, and here the same thing that Schwab, right? High customer satisfaction rating, same thing goes for the Fidelity. Limited branch network compared to the traditional bank, and the same thing, right? So the only thing, it's depend upon your read, as you can read all the differences and decide by yourself. I hope you found this video very useful.